Have an LNR file from an audio production workflow. This is a linear audio file format used in specialized audio applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through accessing and converting these audio files. Before we get technical, the simplest step is often overlooked: installing a general file opening utility. This often works when the specific LNR application fails. More details to follow. LNR files are linear audio files containing uncompressed pulse code modulation, audio data used in various audio production workflows. They store raw audio samples in linear format, without compression, preserving full audio quality for professional audio applications, including music production, sound design, and audio mastering scenarios requiring lossless audio data. LNR audio files store linear PCM audio samples with header information indicating sample rate, bit depth, and channel configuration. The format may include metadata about the audio source and timing information. The internal structure follows audio specifications similar to WAV, but with format-specific headers requiring matching software for proper interpretation. The ideal software for creation and opening of LNR is Audacity from Muse Group. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows offers a basic preview, but sound shaping or analysis needs specialized audio tools. Your essential first move: right-click the LNR file and choose Open With. If Audacity is on your system, select it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that recognizes the format. If your LNR file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Because the LNR format is often tied to niche applications, we must check the foundation. Let's go through our quick verification list now. First, opening an audio software. Try opening LNR files in audio applications like Audacity, Adobe Audition, or Pro Tools. These programs support various audio formats and may import LNR files directly. If direct import fails, the application's import options often include configuration for raw audio, with manual specification of sample rate and bit depth. Next, converting to standard formats. Use audio conversion tools like FFmpeg or SOX to convert LNR files to standard formats like WAV or FLAC. FFmpeg's flexible format support handles many uncommon audio formats with appropriate command line parameters. The converted audio files gain broad compatibility with all audio software while preserving original audio quality. Finally, examining raw audio. Open LNR files using raw audio import in Audacity by selecting File, then Import, then Raw Data. Configure the encoding sample rate and channel parameters to match the file specifications. This approach works when LNR files contain pure PCM audio data without complex container metadata, enabling listening without specialized software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.